In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Framer in less than 3 minutes, 5 minutes. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter the email address associated with your account, hit Continue, then type your password and continue into your dashboard. Once you're in, you should land on your Calendly homepage where your event types are listed. Choose the specific event type you want to embed on your website. This could be a 15-minute intro call, a demo, or any event you've already set up. With that event selected, click Share. In the Share options, choose Add to Website. Calendly will offer a few embedding styles. Select Inline Embed, so the scheduler appears directly on your page rather than as a pop-up. Click Continue, and Calendly will generate a small HTML code snippet for you. Click Copy Code. Keep this code handy, we'll paste it into Framer next. Now switch over to Framer and open your project. In the design canvas, click the plus icon to add a new element. Use the search bar to look for Embed. Click Embed to add it to your page. In the left side menu, scroll down to the Embed section and choose HTML. This is important because Calendly provides an HTML snippet that needs to be pasted into an HTML embed, not a simple URL field. Paste the code you copied from Calendly into the HTML field and press Enter. You should see the Calendly scheduler render right inside your canvas. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment to load. From here, adjust the frame size so the calendar fits nicely on the page. Make the embed container tall enough to show the full booking flow without awkward scrolling. Then drag and position it exactly where you want it within your layout. When you're happy with the placement and size, it's time to make it live. Click. Publish in Framer to push your changes. Once published, open your live site and confirm that the scheduler is interactive. Visitors should be able to pick a date, choose a time, and proceed with booking. If the calendar looks cramped, return to Framer, increase the embed frame height, and republish. That's it. You logged into Calendly, grabbed the inline embed code for your event, dropped it into an HTML embed in Framer, adjusted the layout, and published your site. This simple flow keeps your booking experience on brand and on page, reducing friction for your visitors and saving you time on scheduling.